Mwakiri bururiini LSK ni ukiriye ikinya ria thirikari ya kwenda guthamiria motungata maao ceceniini cia huduma makiuga ati wira wao ni kugumirwo na njira nene na kuria ugutuma makorwo makiagirwo kiene.
As a matter of fact, we are aware that the judiciary is trying to introduce legal services within huduma centers, which we believe is actually infiltrating the practice space. As a judiciary, I think it's important for them to pursue access to justice through the counties that have been created. It's important for them to create courts across the country instead of purporting to create courts within huduma centers.
Makiri ni maritie mari kambini cia gucagura atongoria ao kuria githurano gitanyitwo gukahanika tariki 29 mweri-ini uyu. Makiri ni maugite ati nimekururira wira wao igoti-ini niguo gutigirira itua riri ni riagarurwo.
Any legal framework which parliament enacts will be unconstitutional, and for us we are ready to fight any attempts to kill the legal framework by filing a petition at the High Court to protect the independence of the legal profession and the independence of the judiciary.
Oho maugite ati LSK na menyithio kana kuria ci ikinya riri gutwara motungata ma kiwatho ceceniini cia huduma na riu ni mekung'ethanira na ikinya o riothe rikonainie na ndeto ino.
LSK should have been consulted, because what it looks like is that the Law Society of Kenya was bypassed in the process, and therefore some of their work is actually being eaten into. Their market will be eaten into if members of the public can access everything through agents at the Huduma Center. It says that they may not need advocates.
Ngiribotera Muthingi TV, Kitagwo Nderi, Gathombe.